evening snack recipe. Just a crunchy item. That is, I would like to prepare potato popcorn. It's a simple recipe and anybody, any child can prepare this particular one. It is really crispy and a tea snack style. Let us see what all ingredients we need to prepare the same. See here I have taken 3 potatoes, raw potatoes, little salt, little chili powder, little chaat masala and little corn flour. This particular potato you should first of all peel it off and then slice it into a square portion and directly add to the water and keep it as it is for 15 minutes. Then you should wash it and then you have to dry it in a piece of towel for another 15 minutes. Now here for our video purpose I have already done it. See, this is 3 potatoes which I have peeled off and cut into small pieces of this style. See, this style. And now I have dried it in a piece of towel for another 15 minutes and now lifted it up. Now, as a part of preparation, the first work is in a basin you have to add this potato towards it and add this chaat masala, this corn flour, this red chili powder and salt for taste and mix it properly like this. If you want, if it is very much dried up, you can add little water, sprinkle water, that's all. But here I have not done it because it has just come out. My corn flour and the rest of the masalas have been sticked out. So there is no need of adding water. Now after this you have to fry it in a medium heat. So everything will come out so nicely. We will slowly prepare potato popcorn. We slowly add like this, one by one, one by one. You have to fry slowly like this in medium gas. Just go on fry. Potato popcorn is ready. Now we will just lift it. Children will love it so much. For garnishing purpose, I am adding little onion also, that I am going to fry it now. I hope everybody enjoyed this simple recipe for a snack time. Hope you all will prepare at least once at home. So nice to be with you. Thank you.